Alright guys, so the cinema is located in New Kingston. That's Kingston, Jamaica. It's right where Center Stage is located, to be exact. And then the beauty about this is that you have your foods available just the same, your hot dog, your popcorn, your nacho and cheese. And the new addition, guys, there's jerk chicken. And as you know, I love some jerk chicken. And their jerk chicken is super spicy, but it's still so good. And just to add, the costing to go in is the same price that you pay like whether going into the theaters like in Carib or any of those theaters. It's the same costing, and they still charge per person. It's not per car, but they do, however, have specials sometimes where they will charge like one price for the vehicle. Right? They also do their regular 2-for-1 on Tuesdays, like you would also get in the physical theater. So that's always good. They also have bathrooms available, so if you want to use the bathroom, you just hop out of your car, go to the bathroom, do your thing, and then you come back. So in general, I think it's very good. It's very convenient if you want to just relax in your car. You know, I know some persons open the car backs open, you know, whatever it is, just to make it more comfortable and convenient for you, which I personally love. I prefer drive-through than physically going into the theater any day because it's where I'm in my comfort zone. And also sometimes, depending on like what you order and stuff like that, the persons actually will carry the food to the car for you. So honestly, it's a great experience. If you want to try it, you should definitely check it out. I think it's worth it, and it's just good. Alright guys, so remember to subscribe, like, share, comment. Let me know if you've been there and what your experience was like. Hope you guys enjoyed.